your chef Jasveer and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I am going to make a delicious bread sauce inspired by Chef Gordon Ramsay, and this recipe is a game changer for all the roasted meat dish like turkey, roasted ham and my favorite roasted chicken. I can't wait to try this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first step, we are going to boil the milk with some spices and herbs. We're gonna infuse the spices into the milk. Now we are going to strain our flavored milk because we don't want any lumps or any spices into this milk. So the final step is to mix the breadcrumbs with the infused milk and some butter, and we are also adding some seasoning like salt and pepper. And this sauce is ready.